which will bring development and which will take prosperity and welfare for every section of Tamil Nadu, be it our youth, be it our fishermen, our sisters and daughters, be it our farmers, every section will be taken care of with a good NDA government under the guidance and leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and our leader of the alliance in Tamil Nadu, Edapadi Palanisamy ji. I am grateful for the love and affection that the people of Tamil Nadu have always showered on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I have seen the affection, the concern that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has for the people of Tamil Nadu. And I am sure in this election, NDA will win with a thumping majority, and our friends G.K. Vasan and Dr. Shanmugam and all of us will work with full force to defeat the nepotist and corrupt Stalin government. We want to make sure that Tamil Nadu does not have to suffer incompetence and corruption of Udayanidhi Stalin. We want to bring society together, and we want that hate speech of Udayanidhi Stalin should be punished. He should be removed from the government. A case should be filed against Udayanidhi Stalin for his comments, and the people of Tamil Nadu will give a fitting reply to the negativity and anti-national politics of Thiru Stalin and Thiru Udayanidhi Stalin. Thank you. Nandri, Vanakkam.
Is there a coalition government, sir? Did we demand power sharing?
We are a family, and we work like a family, and we will take all decisions like a family. Thank you.
Sir, Congress demanding a power sharing with DMK. Will BJP ask ADMK?
Well, Congress is a check which has expired. They can demand what they like, but they are not coming into government. So it doesn't matter what they demand, what they do not demand. The DMK Congress alliance is going to lose very badly in this election. The people of Tamil Nadu have made up their mind, and look at the track record. Congress went with RJD in Bihar. The people rejected both the Congress and the RJD. The Congress went with Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar in Maharashtra. The people totally rejected them and threw them out from Maharashtra. Every state, the people have understood that Congress does not have leadership. Just like DMK, Congress is again and again trying to launch a rocket. But unfortunately, the rocket is not launching. It keeps collapsing and crashing. Same way, DMK is trying to foist Thiru Udayanidhi Stalin on the state of Tamil Nadu, but the people, the wise people of Tamil Nadu have rejected it. They do not want a person who makes such statements which are dividing society, which are hurting Tamil culture, hurting Tamil pride, hurting the people of Tamil Nadu, hurting the state of Tamil Nadu. They do not want leaders who are corrupt and incompetent, who do not care for the common man. Today they want to see Prime Minister Narendra Modi, his leadership and the leadership of Thiru Edapadi Palanisamy in the state of Tamil Nadu. And I assure the people of Tamil Nadu that when we form the government in April, with the blessings of every person living in Tamil Nadu. We will give them good governance. We will bring progress. We will bring infrastructure. We will bring a better future for the farmers, for the fishermen, for the laborers. We will give the youth more opportunity for jobs, for creativity, for startups, for entrepreneurship. We will make sure our sisters and our daughters get good education and contribute to Viksit Bharat and become important stakeholders in the development of Tamil Nadu. When Tamil Nadu becomes developed and prosperous, India will become developed and prosperous. Nandri, Vanakkam.